Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. We are on the verge of chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. I hope you have liked my video series. Do write about it in the comment section. How did you find the videos? Is there anything else which I should include upon? I would be waiting for your suggestions in the comment section. Now in this video, we will talk about cell division and its types. Cell division, as the name itself is giving you an idea that this is the process by which a cell divides. Now, whenever a cell has to divide, there are two processes that can occur. One is known as mitosis and another is known as meiosis. Okay, so it is mitosis and another is meiosis. Now, where does mitosis occurs and where does meiosis occurs? This is also a question. Now, mitosis occurs in the somatic cells. Somatic cells are also known as the cells that do not participate in the reproduction. So, these are also known as non-reproductive cells. Whereas meiosis occurs in the germinal cells, and these germinal cells are also being named as the reproductive cells. So one thing is clear, we know the place where mitosis occurs and we know the place where meiosis occurs. Now, to begin with, you should know that each human cell 46 chromosomes, right? So each human cell has how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Now these 46 chromosomes can also be known as 23 pairs, right? This is important, and with the help of this funda we will understand mitosis and meiosis, right? Suppose we are making a cell and this is a cell which will divide. Because this cell has to divide, thus we will be naming it as the parent cell. Now suppose we have to study mitosis in this parent cell. Now over a period of time when mitosis will get over, what is the result of mitosis? We will be getting two same cells as that of the parent cell. Suppose here the chromosomes are 46. In the cells that are formed after the mitosis, they will be known as daughter cell, right? So how many daughter cells are being formed from one parent cell? 2. You can see that one parent cell has been divided to form 2 daughter cells. There was only one parent cell and from it 2 daughter cells are formed and the chromosome number has stayed the same. There is one illustration being given in your NCERT on the very last page where chromosome-like structures are visible. This illustration is about mitosis and meiosis only. That's why I am explaining it, right? Whereas if we want to study meiosis, we have to again take a parent cell, right? This is a parent cell with 46 chromosomes, right? Now, after meiosis, what is going to happen? In spite of 2, there will be 4 cells that will be formed. So, one meiosis forms 4 cells. And these 4 cells will contain half the number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. This is very important that meiosis will make the chromosome number half, whereas mitosis will not make any change in the chromosome. So the daughter cells which are formed by meiosis, they are known as gametes, right? Whereas in the mitosis, they were simply being known as the daughter cells. Now here I would like to mention one more thing, that meiosis, it is making the chromosome number half. That is why it is also known as as the reductional division. Whereas mitosis is not making any change in the chromosome number. That is why it is known as the equational division. Mitosis is maintaining the same chromosome number. Meiosis is making the chromosome number to half. I hope the basic the basic differences between the mitosis, where it occurs, what happens in them, what is the chromosome number in the newly formed cells is clear to you. Now the question for this video is, this question has already been discussed in the nucleus video, right? Now here my question is, when are chromosomes seen in a cell? You can come up with your answers by writing in the comment section of this video. I'll get back to you in the upcoming video, or whenever I'll be doing a recording next time. I'll definitely let you know by commenting or by taking your name in the upcoming video. Okay, stay tuned for more such videos. All the students who are participating, their names are continuously being taken by me. So you can also join up my channel, whosoever is new, and you can comment to get your name spoken in the upcoming video. I hope everybody has subscribed to my channel. If not, please do consider subscribing and pressing the like button. I hope my efforts are worthwhile and you have understood the chapter well. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So stay tuned for it. Thank you.